If you want to save time and keep your Telegram group active even when you're not online, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set automatic messages in a Telegram group using Telegram Desktop step by step so you can schedule announcements, reminders, updates, or even media posts in advance. This is a simple feature, but it's incredibly useful for community admins, business owners, creators, and anyone who wants to stay organized. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe for more easy Telegram tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and go to the group where you want to send the automatic message. This is the group that will receive the scheduled post, so double check that you're in the correct chat before typing anything. Once you're inside the group, click in the message box at the bottom and type out the message you want to send later. You can keep it simple with just text, or you can attach extra content like images, videos, or other files if your message needs more detail. This is really helpful if you're planning a group update, a promo message, a daily reminder, or a welcome post. After you've written your message and added anything you want to include, don't press the normal send button yet. Instead, look for the blue send arrow. On Windows, you can right-click that blue send arrow. If you're using a Mac, you may need to hover over it and click the small menu option that appears. This will open a list of extra sending options. From that menu, select Schedule Message. This is the feature that lets you turn your message into an automatic scheduled post instead of sending it immediately. Once you click Schedule Message, Telegram will open a scheduling window. Here, choose the exact date and time you want the message to go out. Take a moment to set this carefully because this is what controls when your group receives the message. You can schedule it for later today, tomorrow, next week, or any specific time that works best for your audience. After you've selected the date and time, review everything one more time to make sure the message looks correct and the timing is right. Then click Send on the chosen date and time. Telegram will now save the message and automatically send it at that scheduled moment, even if you're offline. And that's it. Your automatic message is now set in your Telegram group. This is one of the easiest ways to stay consistent, plan ahead, and keep your community informed without having to be there manually every time. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.